Yora chitrake chiga ildio oikera bantabange
Gasomo yo mwancho muligirira wetariki yemo mutinyi noyo gatano anarimu. Karibu sana. Happy Madaraka Day. Announce sovereignty county ndionsi oliokorwa ime yensi ya Kenya tuguchingira litukeliga lyobosi bole asinchira yobwa mukoro iga Getembe TV tukote una Happy Madaraka Day. Karibu sana nchengoro kwa Matilda Vaiwa ikionga nechinsa isano na ibere. Nane kirongo chaka ekionga ase umuyiga oyo boko yechengira gosebo gochengira litukeliga linene ime yense ya Kenya nigo bono umuyiga omonene unyara kwaliga nigo usonyara gokorekana chinsa chamambe ase egiti kya Wajir Stadium ime ye county ya Wajir no muyiga omonene unyara korawo no muravensi ya Kenya umuske William Ruto na nigole umuyiga umutangani kegima welitukeliga gosebo chengira obosibole bwa ime wense ya Kenya kuri mwaka 1963 muyigo mutangani kegima gokorekana aso rubongo rwa Northern Kenya na boigo ikirenga aso mwako yoiga kiria kiabere kyo gukwanurwa na serikali nene na boigo abarai kurwa chinsemo na mangana yo gusingirira chisemi elikone kibuna abakenya banyare konyora obumanyi na boigo konyora chisemi chire chiebirengo biganire ase amatuka yiga chisemi chiekerero na abange bagenderete koyo chingira ase chinsemo chi county chikora waneti serikali chi county una kora ase county eyo ya Wajir.
Madaraka Day is being hosted here in Wajir, in the heart of Northern Kenya. This is not a mere ceremonial gesture. It is a national declaration. It is a moment of affirmation that Madaraka, our freedom, our dignity, our self-determination was never meant for some Kenyans and not for others. It was never meant for some regions and withheld from others. Madaraka still belongs and will forever belong equally to every single Kenyan. Fellow citizens, on Madaraka Day in 1963, our freedom fighters did something consequential. They secured the transfer of political authority from colonial hands into African hands and into Kenyan hands. But self-rule was never simply about changing who holds power. It was about beginning the long but necessary journey of building a nation worthy of the sacrifices that secured its freedom. That promise, that work in progress, is the reason we are here today in Wajir.
Na chingeki chomura wensi ya Kenya nigo anyara kwera buna serikali yaye nigerigetie guchokone kibuna obulimi bwanyare okorekana ase chingongo echo cha Northern Kenya guse Northeastern Kenya una nonye mbura tiri gutwaroro eisaine nigatebire buna bamenye bechinseme echo nigo bale abatugi bechombe na boigo nonye chimboli na ebinto binde binge ebyo babona takoywa ugusirwa na serikali kwene kibuna amabere akoroswe mensi ya Kenya usakoni wa uchichinsi chesko anyari recommend kana nawe igasa kwanire nonye gusimeka kwechindagira asoro bongo rwa Northern Kenya.
Connect pastoralist communities to markets and finance and support the transition to climate smart agro-pastoralism and more resilient livelihoods. Together with the 5,000 already in place, we now have 7,000 agripreneurs driving agricultural transformation across our country. The results of this deliberate intervention are already visible. Meat exports have increased by 84% from Kenya shillings 8.9 billion in 2022 to Kenya shillings 16.4 billion in 2025. Milk production has increased from 4.6 billion liters to 5.3 billion liters, while dairy exports have grown from 4.9 billion Kenya shillings to 14.2 billion Kenya shillings. These gains are translating into higher income for livestock and pastoral communities, stronger markets for producers, and greater confidence in the future of pastoral economy. But this is only the beginning. Just as crop farmers receive deliberate government support, pastoralists too deserve support for the assets upon which their livelihoods depend, because livestock is agriculture and pastoralists are farmers.
Na chinga kecho nigo mawaziri wobochenu moske Aden Duale nyarawakira umuraibensi ya Kenya moske William Ruto buya asokubanyora bamenye bechinsemo echo chire buna anemuno kurasense moyo yobotugi na boigo chinsemo chire chikonyora okonyora chikwebwa kura amatuko amagiga asate brumna chinsemo echo chabere chikobwateranirwa na mangana yebisa buna ebyobosaria obosagane aboigo nobuke bago obubono bwairire abakenya bange baguchieba na kubomono abarai bale ase serikali.
History is often discussed through the lens of marginalization and judged by the images of drought, ravaged livestock when rain fails, security-related hardships, and state-led citizenship challenges, especially in obtaining identification cards and documents, and in old memories of exclusion. Numerous massacres were executed against the residents, the most heinous being the Wagala massacre in Wajir in 1984. Others were the Malkamari massacre in Mandera and the Garissa town massacre in Garissa, commonly referred to as the Garissa Buy. Since the second liberation and the introduction of multipartyism, followed by the promulgation of the 2010 Constitution and the inception of devolution, a lot has changed for the better. Just a case in point to illustrate this, Your Excellency, in 2013, before devolution, there was a single doctor in the then Wajir district serving 700,000 people across 56,000 square kilometers. Today, Wajir boasts of 76 medical officers, more than 1,100 healthcare professionals, 174 health facilities, modern theaters in all our sub-county hospitals, and fully fledged emergency and blood transfusion services at the Wajir Teaching and Referral Hospital. Today, Your Excellency, you will honor us by officially commissioning our level 5 referral hospital.
Utigana nayo mwancho muligere na akorwa ase siasa ya kaunti ya Kisii nigobono mwaziri omukuru bwetisemi omuske Ezekiel Machogu anyalire koralia kusagenda tokoralia abene unanache kuliga ekiruhukyo bo governor ase kaunti ya Kisii na akaukona lituko legoro chinga kecho bwigo nigo anyalire tokogendera kumwakira ekoko Dr. Fred Matiang'i na asense moyende mubunge okitutu chache North omuske Jafet Nyakundi asense moyaye nigatebire hoika bono nigakora tumeka libagaliria bwate osekero gukiria bwate kwane kyabuna onyare wikirania amagendero ase bunge eyo
morote Kenya aserero nono urwaire burwakire ngakobwa ikumundange ro bakure pero mundago tama Kenya rya tebanga ya toretera buchanga bari bago kubako bari bago kwa moyo bakombe ekina kinga tutategete Kenya ekina kinga tutategete igoto kagete umurayo Kenya ubatu bwantemia suma na inchi umurayo Kenya umanyitinga na kiamo gendera ko danda kirete nyoro Kenya umurayo Kenya umanyitinga bante karwa kuruara una mama ruara nga kie serikali egocha ime ebarwari no umurayo yaba Kenya batebire no mwana itoko ku Fred Okengo Mwanchiro Okengo Matiang'i agambe macho utarikenda kuchukurigia macho kunuko lete county la nike wangu ngwage tigete aira ni abana baitega ashwa butetwe naenda lete yetari umugushiro rukiaga umugushiro umuntu ushikire Kenya inche ababonzi ege ngokwana no mwana ito na lete baite unataka yote ina nayo ito kinga kike wika kila mtu atajipanga asiona ila utabe kuna pateni inche anjere da kolega sikwaza nimaete obuya nimaete na murara bonsi pi ingyo komwera ngani ba yote ndo ozalia matanda laiga inche astinde wika to twaro moto ikaransa kilo mundo lega ikaransa
utigana nayo mwanzo murigire wikase kaunti ya Nyamira ase Kenyoro kiaria ugwaro iyo gutoka me wadi ya Bukeira ebunge ya North Mugirango kaunti iyo ni gobono besokirie na kwa oraria una ebikorwa byobo ibi ni gobya bere bi comment kana ase amatuka bwangoiga na chinga kecho ni gobatebura na babere waka oroboti ase gitaseni kyabanyanyimbo kirase chinseme chichabukeira korende moncho riande taranyara koba kakororokana ose bitambukiro mbira ababiko imokiwa kuchase abo bakubwateraniwa nebikorwa bunebyo chinga kibono baganire buna abanyanyimbo begitaseni ekyo kiraroro Kenya banyare bonchorerigwa eri banyare konyora obwene bwabo
nkoro kumuri ni mugambi Ekenyoro lya waru umuchando tubwata nobo ibibore ekerango keigoro muno bono buna nchigiti kulya chumatano kutura matangi kenyumbuga kindi getu kuchimwana ngarura abantu balisiko ngali ne pikipiki ingwe kesunganya chibantu chisialirensi chingoko cyane cyabwatu okura tukaminyoki abantu bakatubura tukaira n'umuchibo ase amanye tukaira n'umuchi kwa baibi abuso abaibi abu mwababona tukana tukakola search tukanywa nyama ire nyumba statu mwabakorara kutokoboli bagaswa kuimukia imyero batatu kuturwani akeigo mugambi agacha tugatila guchimatongo ni nyameyu kutwika matongo tukalike statement tukaira na guchaka kera tuikire kali tukolia kabere yani ngere na guchimatongo kufuatilia naende kesi bagante indusi bintu kete photocopy nkalusinga kora kurugabu nkaira na guchaka nande following day nkagenda bagante imba 2000 ngaba 2000 bagante ibono kenda inuka ukuli kitura abaibia abuntu tweka nkaira naka itukoli ndedi kubwati nkagenda bagaswa tote ina yandaka endonge toko kora bagante iko sementa 3000 ngamenta chikaba 3000 ona kuruabu bona tindo chiko sengo tokonya bali buchi
nanjo ni yawo simuria ikiagera abantu banyibeire kingoko banyibeira matoke banyibeire kiregento ndigukura ngakura igo ngagenda baka matongo ngo ikamatongo ari polisi ngaruoronga ngarusingeri mbiri babwatwe tibabwatwe bono rende ngasinyurende gentongo kora kero bangire banoba bari kaiga no bamenyete kaiga lakini rende bono twe tokorera nyamuka tokonye kiagero boy biborano bonene kwa Bernard Muriasi Ekenyoro kianende ya waro eshida tobwata iga nigo tobwata abayibi barabange kubwa abanyenu burunge otokonyo ntorikogesa avocado ntorikogesa ngoko ntorikogesa kawa amatoke mugondo batukoreire akaro twabwatiro moibi next speed twairire matongo kende nke yagokorerwa
ndera gutwara uburigireyo bya tumira nande asekionga chinsa ikomechiale romorogoba nchenguroko Matilda Obaigwa kora ase studio ya kabere nere asereta Eugene ekero tugendete gukuganiria happy Madaraka Day ritukerigaria bene Jumatatu na boigo mutinyo gatano narimo uyu wa masesenia
esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake y'umutinyo gatano eyu ebwata chikosi buna Agricultural and Environment Studies asiba kwiga Agricultural and Extension mbwate course ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering asiba kwiga Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo nkwiga bale Plumbing, Masonry, Building Technology, Civil Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwiga bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwiga bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwiga bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design nkwiga bale Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabwate course ya Driving kuchasi bali bonsi baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Samaria tane ngoro kwa James Barare Nyakundi, principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College. College ito igere ya serikali bagosomya abana courses cy'obubundi asama ngane school fees serikali njayira netinse na kero mwana ko report ebese ikera abenga ya mokongeire nabo mwana goja neri abwate enke umwana nainde ngwancherwale asabe kibase kya serikali akirido kuruka government scholarship ekyabana bago apply ekikero umwana ule school ago apply onyora nekibase kine kikomokonya ase akomenya esandagira akogurwa na bintu binde biraganirwa ase school abana nkonyora bale constituency bursaries